go there. My name is George. I am Izawa, the mighty samurai. I have a sword. It is very sharp indeed. I have a gun. This is my katana. It is very sharp. I can cut you. Yes, it's a very nice sword, but I will cut your tongue out. I am a samurai. You must fear me. This is a gun. I can kill you like instantly. I can slice you. Bang, and you're dead. Your tiny knife can do no damage to me. It is not even sharp.